Starting a hardware project feels complicated. Components, wiring, coding, where do you even start? Today, we're going to see how easy it is to use Embedible to control a servo with a button. I started by prompting Embedible, run the RC servo sequence when the button is pressed. Embedible immediately generated a clear circuit diagram along with tidy code and a description. It was smart enough to use the internal pull-up resistor for the button, so I didn't need any extra components. Next, I grabbed a breadboard and jumper wires to assemble the circuit. I connected the servo and button exactly as shown in the diagram. With everything in place, the circuit was ready. Now it's time to go back to Embedible and run the code. Once the code is running, I return to my breadboard, press the button, and just like that, the servo executes the movement sequence exactly as expected. All of this without needing to manually write a single line of code for the button logic or servo control. No stress, just fun. Start building with Embedible today.